In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily set up LED flash on your Android device when your phone is ringing in 2024 and onwards. So that's quite simple and interesting. But before starting the tutorial, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. And make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button if your problem is being solved. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to go to your phone settings, and basically in every Android phone this option is different. So you can easily go to the magnifier on the top right corner and search for the option. You will have to search for flash. Now in my case, in my Android device, I can scroll down and click on flash notifications, and it says when the screen is turned off the rear camera flash will blink when the event occurs. I will click on incoming calls, and now whenever I will receive a call, my phone's LED flash will start blinking. So that's how you can easily set up LED flash for incoming calls on your Android device. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.